So I just got the new iPhone 14, which means I need to send back my old iPhone 11. So I'm going to walk through the steps of resetting this phone back to factory settings. I've already transferred all of the data from this phone to this phone. I've been using this phone for a little bit of time now. I just haven't sent this one back. But let's get started, okay? So to reset your phone, there's a few things I want you to check first. First, we're going to make sure that the data that we have on the phone is backed up. Now, if you've already done that, I'll put some chapters at the bottom. You can go ahead and skip forward. But for those who haven't, what we're going to do is open our settings menu. And then once we're in the settings menu, we're going to select our Apple ID. We're just going to scroll down. And then from here, just select your device. There we go. And you want to make sure that iCloud backup right here is turned on. So I do have it turned on. If we open that, it should. Last successful backup was 12/25. That's about the time I did it. If you guys can see that. But they also have the option of backup now. So if you want to save all your data, your pictures, your apps and everything, you're going to want to back that up now before you move forward. So we did our backup. Now we want to go back and sign out of iCloud. Since we're not going to have this phone anymore, we can get rid of the iCloud on this device. So we're going to open our settings again, and then we're going to go to our iCloud. And then we'll just scroll to the very bottom where it says sign out. We're going to input our password. Oh gosh, what is my Apple ID password? All right, so once you put in your password, it's going to ask you, let's see if you guys can read that, if you want to keep a copy of your data on this phone. And I'm going to say no to all of these, and I'm going to hit sign out. We get a confirmation, are you sure? And I'll sign out. All right, so there you go. Now we can see up at the top that this phone no longer has an iCloud attached to it. So that's great. So now we're going to actually go ahead and erase all of the data from this phone. So from the top, we'll start again at the settings. So we'll select settings. And then from here, we'll scroll down just a little bit until we get to general. Oops, wrong one. General. And then in the general menu, we'll go ahead and scroll down, and there's an option here, transfer or reset phone, which we'll select. So I've already done all of this. So it says prepare for your new phone. Yeah, we've already done it. And all I want to do is get to this erase all content and settings option. So we'll go ahead and we'll erase this phone. Continue. Now we'll enter our passcode and erase the phone. And there we go. Now we can see that this phone is being erased. There we go. So now this phone has been reset. Now I'm just curious. Let's take a look at the new phone and see if, there we go. So yeah, the iPhone 11 has been removed, and now we only have the iPhone 14. This is interesting though, my AirPods aren't showing here. Yeah, but that's okay. We'll figure that out later. All right, that's all we have today. So I hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, drop a comment below, and we will see you next time. Thanks, guys. Bye.